we need to make coffee first. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Danielle. I'm a blogger and content creator over at basichousewife.com. And if you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we are opening the winter FabFitFun box. And this one is thick. So I have been a FabFitFun paying subscriber for, oh my gosh, we're going on 5 years, 6 years? I've lost track of time. But I seriously love this subscription box. It has changed so much over the years. So if it's something that you tried like a few years back and didn't really love, I highly recommend giving it a try again, because they have gone to like an almost fully customizable model. You can pretty much customize your whole box. So if you have questions about how FabFitFun works nowadays, what like pricing and all of that jazz is, head down to my description. I have a blog post on everything you need to know about FabFitFun, what you can expect out of a box, how it works, how customization works, all of that. But for now, like, I just want to open this thing because I'm pretty excited. The winter box is always one of my favorites. So let's do it. It's seriously like Christmas every time. So every FabFitFun box comes with the FabFitFun magazine, which is actually a really fun resource. It's kind of fun to just browse through. It has information on some of the creators of the different products. It has trend reports, recipes, workouts. I mean, it's got a little bit of everything, so I encourage you to just kind of scan through it. I know you don't care about that, so we're moving on. Oh my gosh, what the? Oh, okay. So every season they release a box. They have an add-on period where they have this giant shop of items listed at super low discounted prices that you can add on to your box. So I think this was $5. I needed a new brow gel, and so I was like, you know what, I will give this one a try. So this is the BFF Brow Friends Forever Clear Brow Gel. Pretty basic, nothing fancy. Okay, so this first item is a recovery sampler tea pack. It comes with 5 different teas. We've got original chai, sweet cinnamon chai, turmeric ginger. Oh my gosh, I love turmeric ginger, you guys. Vanilla spice chai and turmeric spice herbal tea. This is my jam. I'm not a huge tea drinker, but I love spiced teas. Which is literally what this whole box is. So I think this was actually one of the mystery picks. So every single time you customize your box, if you can't like choose between the items, or you're not loving the items, you can choose to be like, pick for me. I'm pretty sure this is one of them, and I don't think I would have picked this myself, but now that I'm like reading through the flavors, I'm pretty excited for it. So it's 25 tea bags, things like that, and it says they're the pyramid tea bags, which I always prefer. So I'm pretty excited to try these. Yummy. Okay, next we have some skincare and body care and stuff, it looks like. This is one that I picked up for sure, Dr. BRANDT Collagen Serum. I don't know about you guys, I'm 31 years old, and I've just noticed I'm getting, I don't want to say I'm wrinkly because I'm not wrinkly, and I'm very appreciative of my skin. I have pretty good skin. I just have noticed I'm starting to get lines, and so I thought maybe trying a good collagen serum would help. I have one from Target that I do like, but Dr. BRANDT, I've just always had great success with their products, so I'm pretty excited to try this one. So it's just like a little spouty thing. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Next is this box is like very dusty. It comes with like all of these things inside the box, which is my absolute least favorite thing about FabFitFun boxes. And it's just getting everywhere. This is one of my other favorite skincare brands. So this is TULA Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. I almost always pick a cleanser if I have the option to, because it's just one of those things I don't really want to buy myself, and I like trying new brands. This thing is massive. I was expecting it to be like this big. I'm so excited for this. So this is probiotics and superfoods cult classic purifying face cleanser from TULA. Coffee break. Cheers, friends. Okay, I also got, the Go Big or Go Home Kat Von D mascara. Extra volume, volume extreme. Oh, I'm just reading it in different languages. I'll show you what the one looks like. I'm a sucker for mascara. I love the mascara that I use right now. I'm totally blanking on the name. It's just a Maybelline one. I'll put a picture of it here because I can't remember what it's called. Oh, look at this. But I love trying out new mascaras. Okay, I love this container. Like, I love this so much. Oh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. It's just like a good fluffy, but not like too fluffy, where it's gonna like hit your eyelid all the time. But again, I like literally can't get over this packaging. I love black. I love matte black. This is like my dream package. Trooper Black is the color. Next, we have a very heavy blanket. Oh, look at this. Oh, I hate these things. Oh, she's soft. She is so soft. Oh my gosh. It's like having a little puppy. So this is the UNHIDE For Love Not Fur Fluffy, Furry, Friendly, Fresh Faux. Oh, I love that. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. So this is a little throw blanket. Does it say the size? 50 by 60 inch, so it's just your classic throw size. I had the option of a few different colors. I think there was like a light gray, a light pink, and then this charcoal. I freaking love it. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. It is so nice. One thing I love about this box, and I've said it in all my videos, but if there are products that you don't really love, that you're like, I don't know if I really see myself using it, or like maybe you were doing the customizing and none of the products really spoke to you, think about like who you can gift those products to. Like, these things make fantastic Christmas presents. Like, you could totally just gift this blanket to someone as a Christmas gift, or you could put together like a whole basket of items based off of like what you got in your FabFitFun box. So anytime I'm doing customization, I'm always thinking about like, okay, would anyone else in my life really like any of these products? Because like the quality is always fantastic. I'm never ever disappointed in the quality. I would feel 100% confident giving my friends any of the items that I receive in these boxes. The last thing that I have, and I genuinely have no idea what this is. Did I pick this? Maybe I did. The ELIXIR bottle. Oh, that's right. I totally forgot that I picked this. It looked like a wine thing. Ugh, I hate styrofoam. She's so pretty. Look at this ceramic bottle. She is gorgeous. I'm sorry, what? It's so pretty. So yeah, this is the Bright Angle ELIXIR bottle. They said can be used for oil, vinegar, soap. I'm pretty excited to use that. You can never have too many cute kitchen things, so I mean, come on. So that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun. So that is everything I got in my FabFitFun winter box. Like I said, the winter box is always one of my favorites. I just love all the like comfy, cozy products that they give. If you want to learn more about FabFitFun, there is a link down in the description that tells you everything you need to know. Otherwise, if you're ready to just take the plunge, I do have a discount code down in the description with a link that you can use to purchase. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you purchase through it, but it doesn't affect your price at all. I'm giving you a discount. I mean, come on. Like I said, I've been a subscriber for like 5+ years. I love it. I've never ever missed a box, and I don't plan to miss a box in the future. If you have any questions or just comments about the box in general, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.